everyone, Melissa here, coming on to share a few items that I made with the DIY art bin haul I shared a couple days ago. I only made 3 different items, so I'm going to show you those, and then I'll be back in a couple days or so to show you the rest of the projects that I've made. But let's jump right in. And so I did use this little cutie here, and let me share what I made with it. After I got finished, I thought it turned out so cute. There it goes. So I did use my Copic markers as well as my Spectrum Noir markers to color up the feet and the eyes a little bit. I chalked the cheeks there. I also used my white gel pen on her eyes as well as on the gingerbread. Now I did, instead of the cookie that they had here, I swapped it out with gingerbreads. So that's what I put there. I did add some little enamel dots. I put on You're So Sweet to kind of coincide with the cookies, you know, cookie sweet, yes. Yes, that's what I did. I did add a little bit of stickles there in her bow there, and added an enamel dot on top of there. So thought she turned out really adorable. There goes the inside. All right, and then up next is this little snowman right here. Like I said, these turned out kind of cute there. So there goes that snowman, and I put him on a tag. So I figure, why not, you know, throw in a few more Christmas tags for Christmas. So I put, oh boy, it's the holidays. It seems like he would say that, doesn't it? So that's what I put there. I did put some diamond dots for his buttons, as well as diamond dots on the card going around. I put a little puff ball for his top of his hat, and colored in his scarf and hat with the Spectrum Noir markers. And I thought that turned out really cute. Okay, and here goes the last one here. And like I said, she turned out adorable. Okay, let me show you what I have created. And there it goes. Super cute. I colored her up with Spectrum Noir tri-blend markers. Then I added some stickles around her hat and scarf. Used the Spectrum Noir for the leaves as well. I put a little bit of stickles on the little dots here, or the little berries there. And I stickled around the bell as well. And then put in Winter Cheer up there, because she just looks so cheerful, doesn't she? With that little cute little smile staring up at the bell. And I put her on a tag, added a bow up top, and called it done. Oh, and I did put some stickles on the buttons as well. Oh, and I did use the Spectrum Noir or Copic markers to color around the outside to add a little texture to that. And that's what I did. And she turned out adorable. Now I will have all the links down below to the DIY art bin shop. So if you see any of these that you like, just head on over, click on the link, it's down below, and go shopping. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.